you look like Trisha.
Huh?
Telling that I have called a student beautiful and you look like Trisha.
Huh?
Husband.
Where is the complainant? ಇವರೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ದುರ್ಗ. ಎಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ. 14 lakhs ಯಾರಿಂದ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Your husband in the wife.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Petitioner number 1 and respondent number 2.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಫ್ ಡಿಗೆ 8.5%, 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಫ್ ಡಿಗೆ 6% ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
3% interest ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That's what I stated.
3% ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸರ್.
kindly read my memo.
No 3% sir. Whatever interest a citizen is entitled to, he should get, because bank is ದುಡ್ಡು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಈಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, correct, my lord. I'll file an affidavit before this honorable
ಸರ್,
court.
ಅದು ಏನಾರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
What they are entitled, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ರೆ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. My lord, what had happened, my lord?
ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2005 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು?
1 my lord, two different FD. One is my lord
ಒಂದು
8.5%.
ಅದೇ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, my lord,
ಅದು 8.5 ಹೆಂಗೆ 6 ಹೆಂಗೆ?
that is my lord, that point of time they agreed, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, that is
ಅದೇ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಸರ್?
my lord, that is point of time, my lord, we have agreed maybe that
Then ಅಲ್ಲ, do you treat the customers like this?
No, it's my
ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಡಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 8.5 ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ 6% ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ
the same customer, my lord.
ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್.
My lord, it is not that, my lord, they are not aware. They are aware everything.
ಮತ್ತೆ
They thought
6% ಯಾರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
thought, my lord, kindly see, my lord, in the 2010 or 2006, whenever they kept an FD, in the year of 2024, my lord, I said that FD is with me. Then, my lord, they approached this honorable court. It is not, my lord, in fact, my lord, I stated in my memo.
ಅದೇ you told FD is with you when you told in 24 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
The
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
interest, whatever they're entitled, I
ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ಡ್
my lord,
ಏನು?
have it, my lord, and my lord, 6.6% and whatever, my lord, 8. Whatever they're entitled as, my lord, what will happen, my lord? Particular period, my lord, FD will be there for a period of 3 years or 4 years or 5 years.
Which bank is this?
Canara
Canara
Bank.
All right, ಆಮೇಲೆ
My lord, the FD will be for like this, my lord, for a particular period 5 years. After that, if they are not coming and, my lord, they are not extending.
No, if a citizen does not know the nuances of banking, which generally they don't know, ಅದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಅವು ಒಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 6 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಫ್ ಡಿಗೆ 8.5%, 25 ಲಕ್ಷ ಎಫ್ ಡಿಗೆ 6% ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಅದಲ್ಲ, after, my lord, period lapse, they would have approached the bank, my lord, they would have extended or, my lord, they would have enhanced the FD.
ಫೈನ್.
ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈಗ 2024 ವರೆಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಫ್ ಡಿಸ್?
My lord,
2015 ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
my lord, my lord, I'll just read the memo if my lord
ನೋ
permits.
ಮೆಮೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, 2012.
2009 ಗೆ expire ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು.
ಹಾ.
The petitioner, Mr. Chandrasekhar, was eligible on auto renewal facility. Deposit had been before 2009 and the maturity
ಈಗ
deposit.
ಆಟೋ ರಿನ್ಯೂವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ.
25/3/2010. After the maturity date at 25/3/2010, the petitioner had not claimed an overdue deposit for a period of 10 years. For the overdue deposit amount, the bank has paid prevailing SB rate of interest till 10 years from the date of maturity as per bank policy.
ಎಸ್ ಸುನಿಲ್.
My lords, memo was filed
ಹ್ಮ್
subsequent to the lordship's order, my lords.
Hmm.
Here they say, my lords, FD of year of 2005, my lords.
ಹ್ಮ್
In one amount, 25 lakhs was kept in FD in the year of 2005, my lords.
Yes.
They say, my lords, it's only for 3 years. And they say the contracted rate is for 6%, my lords. In the other petition, my lords, the FD is of 6 lakhs. That is also done in the year of 2005. In that FD, my lord, they say it's for 3 years for 8.5 interest. Two different interest, and they don't produce all the documents.
ಈ
but
3 years ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 6% ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್?
in one case they say 6%, in the other case they say 8.5%, my lord.
ಈ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್?
Should after lordship's order they paid around 67 lakhs, my lord. That is, it is appearing in the order sheet, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, you should get 1 crore 40 lakhs.
Some calculation is made, my lords, from my client, my lords. I shall produce it, my lords.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Around 1 crore 30 lakhs is what my client is
ಯಾರು?
saying.
The petitioner.
Petitioner, my lords.
He is entitled to get that much.
Entitled to that. And even in the memo, my lords, your lordship can see, they say, the my lords, they said after the maturity on 25/3/2010, they kept it in some RBI, as per RBI circular,
ಸಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್.
suspense account, and they don't communicate to me. They only calculate that it's 6%, and in one case 6%, in one case they say 8.5%. They don't produce all the documents. When I approach, they don't give anything. When I approach this honorable court, they come up with this, my lords. Only upon your lordship's order, they transfer the amount. Otherwise, that I would not have got.
Lord, they never approach my lord. In fact, money,
See, if this court finds that the bank has stopped payment of interest in 2015 after the expiry of 10 years and has kept the amount still in fixed deposit and have not calculated the interest thereon, exemplary costs with costs of litigation would be imposed on the bank. Shall I do it now? What is that you have? List the matter on Monday, 24th.
Let them also place all the relevant
For the
documents
hearing.
pertaining to FD also, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Please.
ಎಸ್
grateful.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು
They
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
have to enhance it ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, they would have sought my lord another 5 years, I would have given the same rate of interest.
ಈಗಲೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡ್
What SB rate of interest?
ನೋಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್
Grateful.
Date, please.
ಮಂಡೇ
Please.
ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್
Much obliged.
So all the parties are present here, petitioners are present. And also we are providing 14 lakhs DD or
40 lakhs.
14 lakhs.
14 lakhs.
Yeah,
ಯಾರಿಂದ
DD.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
Your husband in the wife.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
The
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
petitioner number 1 and respondent number
Complainant.
2. yours.
All right, yes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The petitioner hands over a demand draft of rupees 14 lakhs to the respondent wife, which is acknowledged by her.
2 DDs your.
2 demand drafts, all right.
11 lakhs and 3 lakhs your.
11 and 3 lakhs. Yes.
Order sheet. Order sheet.
Next.
102.
What's the matter?
It's an SCST
Atrocities.
in
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ಸಣ್ಣ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ನೀವೇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ಇನ್ನು? ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಏನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ? ಎಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ವೇಟ್, ಅವ್ರಿದಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ. ಆಯ್ತು ವೇಟ್.
2008, I was appointed as a lecturer in IASC. Subsequently, my lords, I was promoted and my appointment was confirmed. My lords, and subsequently, I filed an application for an abroad scholarship. My lords, there was a disciplinary inquiry initiated upon based on that. Then, my lords, I filed certain RTI applications. My lords, I tried to whistleblow certain misappropriation within the institution. At that point of time, my lords, an inquiry was initiated. I was given a clean check. Subsequently, my lords, within 30 days from the said inquiry, and complaint was filed telling that I have called a student beautiful and you look like Trisha.
Huh?
Based on that allegation, the sole allegation, my lords,
Now you can't say that, sir.
All those things happened long time ago.
Of course, long time. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
2015 is the order of dismissal that was passed. He filed a writ petition. Then when the matter was pending, there was a proposal by his senior advocate to settle the matter. That was settled and the termination was converted into one of resignation. ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. He filed a challenging.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗೇನು ಅದ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಈಗ.
what has happened
Third complaint is
subsequently,
given,
my lords.
including everybody, even the lawyers against whom they were appearing, they are now made parties.
Yeah.
What has
ಇಲ್ಲ
happened,
ಬೇಕು.
my lord, subsequently,
ಏನ್
he has given a
You're
complaint
a
to the
professor and ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಹರಾಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ NGO ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಮಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್. ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫೈಲ್. ಹಾಕಿ
I'll just file my objection.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾಕ್ ಬೇಕಿದೆ? ಈಗ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ಏನು?
Termination,
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
termination.
ಜಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, 12 years job ಇಲ್ಲ.
Termination.
ನನ್ನ ವೈಫ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು
6/4/2016,
ಇದಾರೆ.
this termination was converted one of resignation, terminal benefits was
ಆಯ್ತು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಯು ಫೈಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. I'll post it on 27th, sir. 27th at 4:30 PM. ನೀವು 4:00 ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, 4:30 PM 27th. ಅಷ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Sir, the copy.
ಇದಸ್ ಎನಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಜಾಂಡರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. ಎಸ್,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನಾ?
ಹೌದು.
There's the pro-
ಸರ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೂಲ್ 29 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಇವರೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ, ಸಣ್ಣ ದುರ್ಗ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ. ಆನ್ 27th ವಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ 27th. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇರಿ.
Hunger strike on
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
27th, he said
Don't do all that.
that I'll do hunger strike
We won't do anything.
ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
27th ವರ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡು, ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡುವ. ಹಾ,
much.
ಎಸ್.
Husband number two
Petitioner number 1 and 2.
and five.
ಏನ್ offense 490
8 years.
Wakalat and joint members.
Respect to
Husband
husband, it
number
was
two.
quashed long back.
it's ಕುಲಾನಾಮ.
Respect to husband, it was
Husband
quashed
number
long
one.
back. Settlement ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಇದೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇದು respect to mother-in-law and brother-in-law.
ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರದ್ ಮಾತ್ರನಾ?
ಹೌದು. Husband.
ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್? ಇವರೇ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್.
Thank you.
Submissive.
Order sheet signatures.